Greetings, lovelies. Welcome back to my kitchen. Thank you all so much for the love and support. How about this delicious, tasty, healthy callaloo and saltfish? Yes, and this callaloo comes straight from the backyard garden. So let's go get some callaloo and then come home and cook some callaloo. How about that?
Sister Jane at the kitchen. What a vibes. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Yeah, hear me. Sister Jane at the kitchen. Anything at all where she cook finger licking. Nice like rice and peas and chicken. Times by the water say fishing. Other times in our backyard garden. Eat where you grow, healthy way for living. Do the vlog, cook the food, use the fruits, make the juice, and she still have bake sweet pastries for the toad. Sister Jane, your cuisine are the truth.
So here I'm in the garden and I'm gonna cut some callaloo to prepare for dinner. And yes, guys, they're looking lovely. So let's go in the kitchen and prepare some callaloo. And if you're here for the first time, welcome to Sister J's Caribbean Cuisine, where I talk about food, I cook food, and of course, I eat food. What I normally do, I wash the callaloo off and then I soak them in salt and vinegar water. So if there's any insect in them, I'll get them off in the water. Okay? And then I strip them, start by stalk, and then rinse them off again in some baking soda water. So I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this callaloo and then cut them up, and then we're gonna steam some callaloo. And guys, as you can see, it's fresh callaloo from the garden, and these callaloo taste so good, guys. Yes, tastes real good. But this is a lot, so I'm gonna clean them up and then cut them up and put away some in freezer bag in the freezer to store for the next time I'm gonna prepare some callaloo. So stay tuned while I clean up this callaloo, and we're gonna cook some callaloo in Sister J's kitchen, Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. So now that I finished cleaning up the callaloo, it's time for me to cut them up. So I'm gonna rinse them one more time and then cut them up in my desired size. Okay?
Sister J, Caribbean cuisine, best foods.
So yes, guys, the callaloo is ready, finished, clean, and cut up, so it's time to cook. Over here I have some saltfish. It's already boiled and pick up. And here is my vegetables, bell pepper, assorted, red, yellow, green, scallion, onion, and garlic, along with hot pepper. I have the pot on the fire. I'm gonna add a small portion of oil, and now I'm adding the vegetables. I'm gonna saute this down a little. Then I add my saltfish. As I mentioned before, I'm doing it Sister J's way, Sister J's version, and Sister J's style. You might do it a different way. No hard feelings. When you're in your kitchen, you do your own thing. I'm in my kitchen, I do me. All right? So I'm just making a little space here to add my saltfish. Then I'm gonna cover it over with the pepper and the scallion and the onion. Saute it down a little and then add my callaloo. When I cook my callaloo, I cook it uncovered for two reasons. One, to maintain that green pretty color, and two, when you cover your pot, it generates more water. So when I steam my callaloo, I like to see less liquid in it. So if you cook it uncovered, then the little water that's generated from the callaloo, because you know callaloo have high percentage of water. But if you cook it uncovered, you will have less water in your steamed callaloo. I hope you learned something from this one. Cook it uncovered so you get less liquid. All right. So here's my callaloo. Smell good. Guys, you should be in this kitchen. So as you can see, fresh callaloo straight from the garden. I take you guys home and I cook callaloo with you. And there you have it, lovely people. My callaloo. It smells good. Yes, and you know it going to taste good. So it's ready now, and this is what my callaloo looks like after finished steaming. When it comes to callaloo, you serve it with whatever you want to serve it with. I serve it with some gungo rice and peas and some salad, and that is it. Thank you all so much for watching. As always, I say, live good, work good, pray good. One love. Bless up yourself. Yeah, man. Yummy, yummy. Thanks for watching.